white clouds all in a row. High on a hill, we drank from a spring. We played in the wind and ran to the valley below. The end of the rainbow. Rivers through mountains, black waterfall fountains from heaven. Visions of yesterday that fade slowly away. Fly through the night in beautiful dreams. Drink with a cup from crystal blue streams. Don't be afraid, there's nothing to fear. Open your eyes. Tears and rain are filling the sky. They're gently falling down. The drops of blood are cleaning the earth and sparkling on the ground. The tears and rain are washing my face and falling on my sea. My thoughts of love are flowing through space till you're back with me. When we're together, don't think of forever, just hold me. I know what's in your heart. I've known it right from the start. Think of a place where warm rivers flow. Walk through the fields where sunflowers and daffodils grow, and soft summer winds blow. Maybe tomorrow you won't feel the sorrow and sadness. All your fears of night will just fade in the light. Lie in the sun and soothe your soul. Forget all the things you can't control. Don't be afraid, there's nothing to fear.